What is a quantifier? A quantifier is a word that usually goes before a noun to express the quantity of the object. For example, a little sugar, one of his friends. Note: most quantifiers are followed by a noun, though it is also possible to use them without the noun when it is clear what we are referring to. For example, do you want some coffee? Just a little. Choose the quantifiers from the following sentences. 1. A lot of people are ignorant about the messages. A lot of. B. About. C. People. D. The. 2. Many of the students left for abroad. A. For. B. Yes. C. Left. D. Many. 3. You ate plenty food in the morning. A. Ate. B. Plenty. C. The. D. You. 4. More children will enroll in school this year. A. In. B. More. C. This. D. Will. 5. Many parents do not discipline their children. A. Discipline. B. Do. C. Many. D. Not. And these are the correct answers. Like and follow and share. Thanks for watching.